Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed fried rice. Start by prepping ingredients. Chop vegetables, beat 2 eggs, and measure 3 cups of day-old rice. Keep soy sauce, oil, and seasonings within reach. Use a wide pan or wok so ingredients cook evenly. I'll walk you through heat control, timing, and simple techniques to get fluffy grains and bright vegetables every time, with friendly tips for variations and protein swaps. Maintain high heat and keep ingredients moving to avoid steaming the rice. Start by scrambling 2 eggs, remove them, then sear bite-sized protein pieces until browned. Stir-fry vegetables briefly to retain crunch and color, then return eggs and protein to the pan. Add 3 cups of rice, press clumps apart, and toss with 2 tablespoons soy sauce and a splash of sesame oil for depth. Taste and adjust seasoning at the end. Layer flavors in stages so nothing tastes flat. Salt proteins early, soy sauce near the end, and sesame oil off heat. Try variations like shrimp with garlic, chicken with ginger, or tofu with chili paste for different profiles. Vegetables can be seasonal. Peas, carrots, and bell peppers work well. Garnish with sliced green onions and toasted sesame seeds for texture. I'll also share tips to keep leftovers tasting fresh and not soggy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.